Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open Visual Studio and create a VB. NET project. Once done, add references to system. Data and system. Data. SQL client so you can use SQL connection. Next, create a connection string in app. Config and choose integrated security or a SQL username and password. This secures credentials and makes edits easier. Finally, prepare a simple SQL server or local DB instance, and note the server name, database name, and authentication method so you can connect right away. Now you implement the core connection and execution logic. Initialize a SQL connection with your saved connection string and wrap it in a using block so resources are disposed. Make sure to open it inside a try to catch exceptions. Create a SQL command, add parameters with correct types and values, and choose Execute Reader for queries or Execute Non-Query for insert/updates. Once the command runs, read records, map fields to objects or UI, and close the reader. Using ensures the connection closes even if an error occurs. To finish, validate behavior and add robust error handling. Wrap database calls in try/catch and catch SQL exception specifically so you can log error numbers and messages. This helps identify authentication or network issues. Once successful, optimize by enabling connection pooling and keeping commands parameterized. Make sure to test full workflows from UI to DB and run queries in management tools to confirm results. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to verify the connection string and server accessibility first. Most failures stem from wrong server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.